be hopefully an engaging, interactive, nice couple of hours. What we wanted to do today, as you can see from the agenda, is really provide you with a great mix of content from different partners that we have, plus from the whole ecosystem around you. Because the key aim today that we want to get out of this session is that you walk away with a lot of good, tangible things that you can make use of. Tangible advice, tangible services that you can make use of, as well as key elements that you could take away to help grow your business. So the theme today is about leading a fast growth business. And who's leading a fast growth business here? Can you raise your hand? Okay, good, good. So this hopefully will be very interesting for you. And as you know, this is part of the SME Evolution Program, set of workshops, webinars, and content that we have all across. Who has heard of the SME Evolution Program? Okay, not a lot. So the SME Evolution Program is the program that we started 3 years ago in Potential, with the aim of supporting small and medium businesses to develop themselves and become able to compete on an international, global level. So the SME Evolution Program has been running now for 3 years, like I said. We've got participants in over 40 countries joining the program. We've got events happening all over the world. We had events in South Africa with Ivan a couple of months ago. We've just launched last month in India. So the program has grown a lot from here to the rest of the world, and it continues to grow. And the format of the program is also changing. There'll be a lot of changes coming up as well, which will support you more in developing your business, in finding business opportunities, and in supporting your growth. Today we've got a great set of partners who are with us to help in this growth path. And what I usually, when I'm talking to someone new about entrepreneurship, someone who wants to start up a business, I usually tell them, look, it's very easy to start up a business. Does anyone think it's hard to start up a business? Is it hard to start up a business? I mean, starting up is quite easy. In the past, you even had to register. Now you don't even have to register anywhere. You just go online, you put a website, then you're up and running. You're in business, right? So it's very easy to start up a business. Is it very hard running a business? Yes. It's hard running a business, but it's manageable. I mean, there are a lot of businesses out there that are just surviving, doing okay. But which are the tough businesses to do? What is hard in a business? The hard part, sustain. Also sustaining, I think, is manageable. The hard part is growth. The hard part is scalability. That is really the hard part. That is where we really need to scratch our heads. Right? Because then with growth, with scalability comes a lot of challenges that come as part of the game. So today we have, like I said, a set of talks, experiences that we would like to share with you to help address that challenge. And one of the key challenges we hear about usually when it comes to the growth aspect is access to funding and financing. So hopefully in the panel that you'll see later on, there are some innovative solutions for that big problem that we have in the region. And we'd love to hear your feedback on it, and for you to engage with the different partners who are addressing that problem very creatively.